Hey everyone. So it's after midnight on Clifton Hills in Niagara Falls, and I'm going to give you a tour of what it looks like after midnight. Interesting thing about this place is that the wax museums and the SkyWheel and a lot of the other things, they're still open till 2 a.m. So just think of it. You have the streets packed, and it's after midnight, so over half the people are drunk. So this might be an interesting little adventure to check out. So let's begin our tour. So here's that parrot hut.
Just need a hole-in-one. So, what do you say, me hearty? Aren't we ready for some good, clean,
These are animatronics again. Still open.
Some family fun. The secret to success: avoid the hook and stay the mark.
So there's Movie Land across the street. We have Ruby Tuesdays over here.
Well, we've also got a mirror to fix that inside. We have an entire room of silly mirrors. You're gonna love them.
There's Wendy's with a nice view. Yeah, the haunted house seems a lot more spookier after midnight. I don't know if I'd check out a ride here.
How did you like your terror? Scarier with a slight case of nerve? It's scarier without keeping a
Then we have a carnival barker. With the tightrope lady up there. I don't know if I'd like to check it out this late, because add a lot of drunken people, fatigue, and just lateness of it all. Might actually get spooked if I take one of those rides. Here's Ghostbusters. Batmobile lane. House of the Dead. See what's going on here. Lots and lots of lights late at night. There's the Boston Pizza right across the streets of Pizza. After that Toys thing is a karaoke bar. there's karaoke bars everywhere. So let's see what's happening around the SkyWheel. The SkyWheel is also open until 2 a.m. in the morning. Pretty good lineup at the SkyWheel. I wonder if we still see an eruption at the dinosaur volcano there. No, it'll probably erupt when I'm traveling the other way. Yeah, so all the noisy cars are out now. Carnival of Chaos. So that looks like an interesting ride there. Oh, there, a flame went. So, caught the later half of it. Yeah, it looks like a whole lot of fun. I don't know if they'd let you on the Niagara Speedway drunk. But a lot of people lined up to use it. Starting to feel raindrops again. There's the Kelsey's discount souvenir store. Yeah, so the souvenirs are cheaper on the other side of Victoria Avenue. Over there you have Louis Toussaint's Waxworks. There we got the House of Frankenstein. And fairly good turnout still. So I wonder what the turnout is at that Sparks place. There's also Yank's Bar and Grill.
Oh, you know where that
I'll be gone by the time it's like.
se viaja padrísimo. Yo ya quedé que te todo para acá.
So I saw that icon Nightlife by Sparks earlier today, and doesn't look like there's a lot of activity there. It's the Italian Grill. Doesn't look like a lot of people are in there tonight. They are playing some good tunes. So that concludes our tour of Clifton Hills, Niagara Falls after midnight. If you like this, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.